Hey y'all, welcome to my channel. If you're new to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button. In today's video, I'll be making a party rainbow cake. As you can see, I'm using a box cake. So I added a cup of water, half a cup of oil, and 3 eggs. Now I'm just mixing everything up. When I was done mixing, I went ahead and got a foil pan and I put some butter in it. Now I'm pouring the mix inside and then I'm gonna put it in the oven. Okay, so now that the cake is done, I'm gonna be adding the rainbow chip icing on top. Comment down below and let me know if you ever tried this cake. This is my first time trying this. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you hit that like button. Now I'm going to show you how it came out.